Verzeo. Learn here, lead anywhere. Subscribe to our Verzeo channel and tap the bell icon to receive all notifications. Download the Verzeo app and get free content access.
IBBS PO eligibility criteria, you should be a graduate degree. Okay, you should be a graduate degree from any recognized university, and you should have a basic computer literacy and language proficiency of the concerned state is concerned. Okay, so here age eligibility, you should be 20 to 30 years at the time of the examination. And coming back here, IBBS PO prelims exam pattern is three sections in the preliminary, 1, 2, and 3. English language, numerical ability, and reasoning ability. Number of questions is 30, 30 marks, 35, 35 marks, 35, 35, and 100 marks is included in this particular exam. Here, there is negative marking, 0.25 for each negative answers you are writing. 0.25 will be a negative marking. And here, very importantly, you must clear section-wise cutoff in all the three sections to clear the IBBS PO exam. Whereas in SSC, there is no section-wise cutoff. So once you clear this prelims, you have the mains pattern as this. Reasoning and computer aptitude, 45 questions, 60 marks. Time duration is 60 minutes. English language, 35, 40 marks, 40 minutes. Data analysis, 35, 60 minutes. This will take 45 minutes. Okay, this is the pattern of IBBS. Economy, 40 questions and 40 marks. So totally 200 marks, and another paper essay you need to write 2 essays. 25 is the maximum marks. So totally 225 marks you'll be writing for the IBBS PO. This is officer grade exam. After this prelims and mains, you have a 100 marks for interview in IBBS PO. Okay, so it carries your mains and interview mark for the merit counting. Okay, when it comes for IBBS clerk preliminary, it's almost the same pattern of the mains, having English, numerical ability, reasoning for 100 marks. IBBS clerk mains, you have four sections. You don't have an essay, which is excluding the essay. You have 160 minutes. Okay, you have 200 marks, 190 questions. So mainly the banking, IBBS, which recruits people in the probationary officer and also clerical cadre. Okay, so this is this both are conducted by IBBS, and the exams which have more or like common syllabus when you prepare for SSC, IBBS, both are having almost like same level of preparation you can do. So these two are the major agencies which recruit the people for the various examinations. Okay, these are the various posts which is available under the exam. So what we discussed today here is mainly which is, speaks about the opportunity of the graduates mainly in SSC and IBBS. Yeah, there was a question, what is the age limit for? Yeah, so age limit for IBBS is you should be minimum 20 years and maximum you should not exceed 28 years. Okay, so um, you should not exceed 28 years, and I'm posting that also here for your benefit of the information. Clear? So coming back here, Yeah, this was a question asked by Mr. Okay, sorry, Varsha. Okay, so it is like 28 must not exceed 28 years. This is the age limit for this. So mainly the opportunities which comes with the SSC also follows the major patterns, but you will not have tier 2 in the higher secondary level. Okay, in the higher secondary level, you will not have the tier 2. Okay, coming back to the question, obviously you will have four options, right? So 504. This should be divisible by 8. If it is 0, x can be 0 or 1 or 2. Let us substitute for 0. Yeah, 504 divided by 8. Any other questions? Which bank exams a student who has passed class 12 can give? See, now all the clerical examinations have been made a graduate as a graduate as a minimum qualification. We cannot, I think as of now, class 12 is not eligible for the clerical exam. Okay, you should have passed degree. If you're not done, if somebody is not done, you can do through distance or something, you can complete it so that you can eligible. Okay. See, 6 eighths of 48, remainder 2, 3 times 24, 0. So it's exactly dividing, last three digits are exactly divided by 8. So x can be 0 for making this whole number divisible by 8. Okay, so the major government opportunities. Okay, so the major government opportunities, as we discussed, SSC, IBPS, and various central institutions, okay, which recruits exam on their own. So SSC takes in CGL, high secondary level, and MTS. These are the major chunks of the jobs which is offered for you, and the preparation also, which will be central institutions like NITs, lot of IITs, okay, which offers the examinations, apprenticeships which is offered by ISRO. So these kind of, being an engineer, you can even apply for these kind of examinations. Okay. So as I was informed, we were discussing only mainly the SSC and IBBS opportunities and the test pattern. Similarly, reasoning is just by practicing last 10 years question you have to do. Quantitative aptitude, you have ratios, these important topics, definitely you should undergo a training. But for GK you can take a static GK which deals with the like polity, history, geography. Okay, all these topics. The book which deals, which I can give you instead of channel, I will send you a book list to the person. They may share with you. Only one book is enough. Okay, so that will be help you out. GK Publishers or Arihant Publications. Okay, Arihant Publications book is good. I think this is what I have planned for the session. Kirti,
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
yes.
It was a great session, though. Uh, I guess even it was enjoyable and the learning for the other students as well. I hope everyone has learned and have got a bit gesture on this session, like what are the opportunities where they can go in the government jobs, whether it is SSC or it is a banking as well. And they have maybe it was interactive as well, I would say, by making up some questions and everything. Thank you so very much, sir, for this beautiful session.
Thank you, Kirti.
Yes,
So
sir. Yeah. So, guys, as you might have all, got a bit knowledge about this opportunity about Verzio as well, as Verzio is also providing this SSC exam preparation in the government job sectors. So, I'll tell you initially about the Verzio, what exactly it is. So, it's an edtech company. So, we actually have the experience of 3 years and trained over 50,000 people. And now by introducing this webinar session, so we are introducing the other platform as well on the various competitive exams, whether it is SSC, that is Staff Selection Commission, or whether it is banking or any of the competitive exams. So if you guys have anything you want to ask, you guys can go ahead with this. So we'll be at the end, and like we'll be sharing some of the links as well in the charts as well, where you can get all the resources and all the updates as well regarding the other webinar session that will be conducted, or any other details as well regarding the opportunities as well. So guys, we'll be putting the WhatsApp link on the chat, so you guys can add yourselves in the. So I have posted the link, so you guys can join for the other updates as well. And thank you, sir, for this session. So it was very much knowledgeable for everyone, and for everything as well. Thank you so very much, sir. And thank you to all the candidates, to all the aspirants. We'll be looking forward for your other questions as well if you have any queries as well. So you guys can put up your questions as well. So thank you for giving your time as well, sir, and
Thank
to
you.
the other students.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.